Yeah, hey, I'm finna tell y'all niggas some real shit. Shit. Bitch, move it or lose it, move it or lose it. These are my cards and I drew it. This is my game and I ain't gonna fucking lose it. Took that chance and I blew it. So you better move it or you're gonna lose it. Move it or you're gonna lose it. Move it, you're gonna lose it. Move it, you're gonna lose it. Move it or you're gonna lose it. These are my cards and I drew it. This is my game and I'm not gonna lose it. Took that chance and I blew it. But I'ma come through in a new whip. And I ain't playing, nigga. I keep spraying. I'll get you painted on the wall like graffiti. Cut your head off with that guillotine. You can't be like me, nigga, it's a fantasy. Just keep imagining and watching TV and reading magazines. Cause y'all niggas fags to me. I ain't playing, I ain't bragging, B. I'm gonna hit you with them big C's cause I'm from Seguin. Bang C's crippin', nigga, Texas what I'm doing. You gon' get caught slipping and I'm sipping out the styrofoam. Yeah, you know I put a nigga in a coma. Yeah, I put a nigga in the fucking corner like, bitch, what I said. I'ma put that bread up on your head, put it on mine, but I ain't scared. Got 2 blocks and the bitch is a pair. Yeah, ripping tail like I was a grizzly bear. Cause I really don't care, put you in a wheelchair when I hit you with a motherfucking steel chair. Beat your kneecaps in with a gun. I told you nigga, I'm not the one I'm troublesome. That's just how I come, real dumb shit. Never fumbling. Yeah, but bitch, I said you better move it or lose it, move it or lose it, move it or lose it, move it or lose it. These are my cards and I drew it, my cards and I drew it, my cards and I drew it. This my game, and I'm not gonna lose it. Yeah. Took that chance and I blew it. I'ma go through and I'm getting niggas stuck like glue when I step on toes. Cause you know I ain't got no hole up in my soul. He gonna miss with that pole. I'm gonna reload and hit him with 2 clips in his lip. Spilt that blood out of his lip. That nigga need a bip. Yeah, and I can't explain how I feel. Just wanna get a nigga peeled when I hit him with that windmill out of automobile. Yeah, make a nigga do a cartwheel. Yeah. And if it stay cold, I'ma get him on a snowmobile. Leave him in the snow somewhere. Y'all don't know for real. I really trapped it out. It's not a no faking deal. Yeah, man, what's shaking, dude? I'ma hit you with that aching, dude. I'ma leave a nigga stankin', dude. Like, what's up, boy? I ain't playing with you. Yeah, I'ma leave you on the news. Yeah, and I ain't talking about that cable magazines, but put your ass on TV. Ain't with the labels. Stop speaking fables on my name. Can't sit at my table. Only OGs, nigga, on my label, yeah. So, bitch, you best move it or lose it. Move it or lose it. Move it or lose it. These are my cards. These are my cards. These are my cards, and I drew it. These are my cards and I drew it. This is my game, and I'm not gonna lose it. This is my game, and I'm not gonna lose it. This is my game, and I'm not gonna lose it. Yo, took that chance and I fucking blew it. But now I'm gonna keep that 4-5 pulled out. Won't leave a nigga alive. Rip his chest open like a grizzly bear to a beehive. You know I ain't playing. Rip his brain out. Yeah, when I'm spraying, it ain't no thing. I just can't explain how I feel. Times is just getting darker and harder, but I gotta start moving smarter. Make a nigga turn to a retarder when I hit him with that You know I ain't playing, nigga. What you saying, nigga? Case they spraying, nigga. I'm never scared. You was scared and you was there, nigga. I'm everywhere and I put a nigga up in the fucking air, cause I don't care. I really don't care. Bitch, best move it or lose it. 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 These are my cards and I drew it. My cards and I drew it. My game and I can't lose it. Took that chance and I blew it. Now I'ma go through with it.